Anand and welcome to Learn with Anand YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to download and install PyCharm on Windows. PyCharm is an IDE specifically designed for Python programming. It offers a wide range of features to enhance productivity for data science and web development. Before going ahead, first you need to have Python installed on your computer. If you don't have, then you can watch this video and can join us later. So let's get started. Open web browser. Here I have Google Chrome. You can open any web browser. Type PyCharm. Open the very first link of JetBrains. Click on download. First accept all and then click on download. Here you will find the unified product, but it will require to purchase the premium. So to access the full features of the PyCharm. But if you go with community version, you will get essential features which are enough for a student or a learner. So as we can see, if we download this version, then we will get a trial and for 1 month, and then we have to pay for the premium. So let's proceed with the community version. But here as you can see, they have not mentioned anywhere, so we have to find it. For that we have to go to other versions. So as you can see, we can find the latest version, which is 2025.2.0.1, and it's of community edition. So we can proceed. We have to click on this. It will take some time, depend on your network speed. So let's wait for some time. So yeah, we are done with this. Let's go to the file location. Right click on the file, run as administrator. Yes. Click on next. As you can see, the PyCharm will get installed on this directory, and the space which will be required is 2.5 gigabytes. So click on next. Let's click on next. Click on install. It will take some time, so let's wait for some time. So yeah, we have successfully installed PyCharm on our computer. Click on finish and let's open PyCharm. Click on continue and here we will choose don't send. So this is the interface. Let's create a new project. Let be Python project. Okay, this is the name of the project. As we can see, it automatically detected the version of Python installed on our computer. And even if we don't have Python on our computer, we can download and install it externally. So let's click on create. Okay. As we can see, it's loading something, so it's better to wait for some time, as this is the initial part, so we have to wait for a couple of seconds. I can close this. So yeah, we are done with this. I will just close this. Why I'm not able to close this? Yeah. So let's create a Python file where we will be displaying a message named as demo. So as you know, we only have to write a single line. Just learn with Anand. So if I execute this file, yeah, so we got the message. So using this ID, we can work on various packages such as pandas, numpy. So to install those packages, we can't have those by default. We have to install it separately. Suppose we are working on a project and we need those modules or packages. So for that, we can simply go to settings, and here we will find something like interpreter. So where we will, let's search Python interpreter, it might be something. So yeah, we can see pip is being installed, which is a package manager. So I will click on this plus button, and here I can search what all packages I required. So this is the pandas. I can simply click on panda and then click on install package. And similarly, I can find other packages as well, such as numpy. Click on numpy, click on install. So I can click on close, and if I refresh this, just click on OK. So as we can see, it's downloading here, numpy and pandas both. So after a couple of minutes, you can get them. So that's it for this video. I hope you liked it.